Yeah.
We had a lot of termite damaged boards, especially down at the bottom. So before we put the zip on, we're just going to replace this with a little, just something to fill it back in. Maybe even a piece of AZAC. Right now we're adding zip R9 sheathing insulation board to the entire house. We decided to do that because we have a lot of gaps in our old wooden sheathing that we want to close up. See these gaps here? You can actually see through to the insulation inside. So we really want to just close that up completely, and that's how we're doing it here. If you look at the side detail, you can see this insulation is closing all these little gaps. We also only have 2x4 framed walls, so we wanted to add an extra 1.5 inch of polystyrene insulation, so this board does both those things. It also gives us a new flat surface to nail any different type of siding to. So we're gonna go ahead and fab the whole house.
Great job.
We're gonna install the back bedroom picture window. We already have the zip system up, but it's not flashed in yet, and we need to cut the opening for the window. So we're gonna cut it open, flash the whole section, and then install the new picture window.
Amazing. Are there any challenges you foresee that we may have here, or?
Shouldn't be, but there probably will be. pretty good. It's really sticky. I mean, you gotta be one time with it. You just have to be slow and careful. The window flashing is complete and ready to put the window in. We're going to use the Grabo Tools suction cup to make the install a little bit easier. We're using Quad Max Pro for the sealant. We're going to apply it to the building and then put the window in. For the attachments, we're using Simpson Strong Tie washer head structural screws. The washer head just gives it a little bit more suction to the building, and we're using 3" because the zip system is 2" and it will go into the stud 1". I think that's all enough. I mean, if they had 3.5" would be better. Actually, I don't have any more of these. I have 3 of them. Can use them. Some people leave the bottom open for water drainage. Our sill is pitched out, so if any water gets in here, it should run out and down. So most people don't seal the bottom. I'm gonna leave it open. We're installing an Anderson 400 series picture window. Screw everyone, but probably gonna a little overboard with this.
Oh my god, I'm obsessed. You crushed.
Now we have to tape the outside, well the three sides.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it looks so good. Thank you so much.